How's it going, guys? We're here at our local skate park today to drive our RCs around. We got the Stampede 4x4 Slash 2-wheel drive and then our Bash Slash project over there. So we're looking to have some fun. It's me, Josh, and Sean today. So we're just going to bash our cars and hopefully not break them.
All right, let's go. Ooh. Looks like it's still going. Do another.
I probably should have done a backflip.
I think we may have gotten in a bit of a crash, so let's see what's wrong. If I can get it out. Oh, there it comes. There we go. High quality right there.
Oh my.
Yep. So we got a turnbuckle issue there, and then looks like in the back. Yeah, we don't really have a shock spring. We lost the cap for the shock spring right there. Hey, she still drives. Yeah, get him. Oops. We are sending it right now with our broken slash. Oh yeah. Oh. Cowan is going to try to attempt a front flip.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes. So I'm driving Josh's car right now, so if I break it, he says I have to buy it. So.
Yep.
Okay.
Ooh, that did not sound good. Oh, this thing's terrible.
Oh.
Where's the wheel? Hang on.
I think we're missing a wheel. There's no wheel.
Over here.
Oh my gosh, it snapped the whole thing off. Oh, she still works. Look at her. I think we're stuck under there a bit. But then we got the other wheel right here. And I don't think you need that.
Here, Sean, crawl under there and get it. You're the smallest.
Oh, big hit.
Looks like we just lost the other tire. It should handle a little bit better now. It should handle better now.
There's the two tires.
No steering. Josh, back. Whoa! Oh. Okay, so this thing is officially wrecked. We're gonna take off the body and show you guys.
This thing is trash. So first of all, we hit the fence, and you can see this huge tear in the body right there. So
now we're gonna go on to, we lost both tires. Looks like both steering links on each side.
Looks like we ripped the ball ends off. Bottom shock rod for this shock right here.
Oh yeah,
The spring fell off. Sean has that in his pocket. We broke a drive shaft.
I'd say it's a pretty durable car.
Wait, no, the drive shaft didn't break. It just fell apart.
Oh,
Sweet.
Okay.
And I think that's about it for now.
So this thing is officially destroyed for now.
Yep.
For now. Okay, so our other Slash, we have a loose pinion gear, so that's done for the day. We got one left.
And this one just broke the bumper mount right here, but it's also making a clicking noise. As you guys saw, that truck went pretty high in the air, and we did break a rear drive shaft, so this truck is only front wheel drive. So let's do one more jump.
That's not good. Okay, so a very unsuccessful day at the skate park. There's something wrong with every single one of these RCs now. This Slash right here, we have a loose pinion gear. This Slash right here, everything is broke on it. This Stampede, we have a broken rear bumper mount and also a broken rear drive shaft.
And the Proline body mounts did rip out a screw.
And then this body is just beat up. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. We sure did not enjoy breaking them, but they were fun driving them while we could. So if you did, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time on Trax RC.